Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and this morning we're visiting with Jason Phillips. He's the Simpson County Extension Agent for Agriculture and Natural Resources. Good morning, Jason.
Good morning, Joanna.
Well, I'm glad you're joining me in the kitchen. A lot of times people think that Labor Day is the end of summer, and that might be the end of fishing season, but that is so not true.
No, that is not true, and we can enjoy fish really year-round.
Absolutely, and a lot of times, of course, my favorite way to eat fish is fried fish.
Sure.
However, there's a lot of different recipes. This particular recipe comes from our Cook Wild series. It's economical, it's healthy, and it's easy. So you can barely ask for much more than that, right, Jason?
You can't go wrong there, for sure.
So what type of fish do we have here?
This is largemouth bass, and we've got a pound of fillets here, and that's what the recipe calls for.
You greased this 9x13 pan.
I did. And then we'll just take these fillets and place them into the pan. These are nice, good looking bass fillets. And you can do this with several different types of fish. It doesn't have to be largemouth bass.
Okay.
And then we've got them placed in there. So now we're just going to sprinkle some water first over them.
Okay.
And then also lemon juice. Lemon juice is really good. And it's in a lot of recipes, you know, with fish.
Yeah, I think it adds and brings out some freshness, you know, adds a little bit of acidity too, a little bit of tang.
Mm-hmm. And then also our pepper.
All right, that's half a teaspoon of black pepper.
Just want to be sure we get that sort of evenly spread out as best we can.
Mm-hmm.
And lastly, we'll add our onion.
That's one small diced onion.
This combination is important. You know, all these ingredients complement one another. And so we've got all our onion on here. And now we're just going to cover with our aluminum foil. So now that we've got the aluminum foil on here, we're going to place this in the oven, which is preheated to 425, and going to cook it for 20 to 25 minutes.
All right. Okay, Jason, while our fish is cooking, you're going to make the sauce. And I think this is really going to make this dish special.
That's right. The dill sauce is really what sets this dish apart. Mm-hmm. So we'll go ahead and start with our mayonnaise.
Okay, so that's a fourth a cup of mayonnaise, and it's light mayo to make it healthy. Of course, you can use the original, but if you want to, the way the recipe was written is to make sure that it was healthy for your family. So.
And then we'll add in our milk.
All right. That's a fourth a cup of milk as well.
And we're going to whisk this in
on turn your heat on
low to medium heat.
Okay. All right, so you got all that incorporated. So we're going to turn off the heat, take it off the heat, and that's when you're going to add all the flavor.
Off the heat, and now we're going to add,
I think that's a tablespoon of dill weed. And I love dill. Dill pickles, dill anything.
I'm a fan of dill. I'm with you. So we're adding the dill, lemon juice.
Right. A tablespoon of lemon juice. That's going to add some freshness to it. And this is going to add the bite.
And the Dijon mustard. This is making me hungry. I hope the fish is done soon.
Yeah. That's 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. The great thing about this recipe, Jason, is you provided the fish, but everything else was in our office pantry. So these are ingredients that hopefully that you would have at home and be able to serve this dish.
Sure. Yeah, you should. Most people would have a lot of these ingredients, if not all. Mm-hmm. So we're just going to stir this in together.
All right, Jason, and then we would just put that in a dish and serve it with a dollop when our fish is complete, right?
That's right.
So, Jason, we just got the fish out of the oven, and it smells amazing.
It does. Yeah, I'm ready to get it plated up and get our dill sauce on it so we can start enjoying it.
All right. And there. I mean, that didn't take any time at all.
No. It's so now we're just going to add the dill sauce. There we go. So it looks excellent, and I don't know about you, but I'm ready to enjoy it.
I am too. Jason, appreciate you bringing the information, and if you need more cooking inspiration, we have a whole Cook Wild series as well as other recipes from our Plated Up Kentucky Proud series. We appreciate you watching your Farm and Home Show. We hope you have a great day.